Hello everybody. Today I want to talk about how to make a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. So the first thing you need is some ingredients. You got to have bread. You need to have some jam. I got some grape jam here, and I got some peanut butter, of course, and something like a fork to spread it on, and I got some type of either a plate or paper towels or something to make it. So first off, you open up the bread, like so. Take the bread out. And I usually use 2 pieces of bread when I make a sandwich. So 1, 2 pieces of bread. Okay. And then I take out my utensil. And usually I start off with the peanut butter. This is crunchy peanut butter with honey, but it can just be regular peanut butter. Non-crunchy will work as well. So I'll take out some peanut butter, and then I put it onto the bread like this. Just like so. All right. I think I can use a little bit more. It's going to be a good, hearty sandwich for all the hard work of making music and robot films and everything else I do in a day. Run, bike, take photos of myself, all this stuff is going to give me a lot of energy to be able to do all that. So put some peanut butter on, like so. Okay? Then I close up the peanut butter and open up the jam. And I only use a little bit of jam just for the taste. Just a bit for the taste. And I usually just put it right in the middle there, maybe just a little bit more. So you just take it out like that. And then bam, like that. And then kind of spread around just a little bit. You don't want to have, I personally don't want too much jelly on my peanut butter sandwich, but you know what, you can make it to taste. So if you like a lot of jam, you can put a ton of jam, less peanut butter, whatever. Then I take the other part of the bread and put it on top. And now I have a peanut butter and jelly sandwich, just like that. As always, rock and roll, and of course it does compute. Let's see how it tastes. Fantastic. Rock and roll, everybody. It does compute. Yeah.